Remote Academy, Well Hair, Lightness, Mona Lisa Series, G2 Professional, Wires Hair Products, our exhibitors, Amaya Amazonia, Beauty Kingdom, Beauty Touch, Binondo Beauty Supply Incorporated, Bobby Nails, Cosmo Care International, Sherilyn, DKCO Company, EPSA, G&G Glamour, Hair Media Professional. Let us shine the spotlight on a true visionary in the world of beauty and education. The CEO and founder of Hair Asia. Please help us welcome the incredible Miss Evelyn Alvaran Cruz.
Amazing performance. Talapakan natin ang Buganda team. Thank you, Buganda. Elmer, thank you, and the rest of you. So, ano pa po ang mahihiling natin, di ba? Thank you. Thank you for giving us this mga gift packs. I'm sure yung mga early birds naka-receive na isang katutak na freebies. So, maganda yung maaga. Kasi ngayon pa lang, nabigyan na ng iba, marami. Pero siguro maya-maya, mga isa, dalawa na lang mabibigay namin. So, sobrang daming tao. Maraming salamat. So, para-apple tayo? Oo, pakuha nga, bouncer. Yung isa sa loob. Para-apple tayo para habang nandito sila. Raffle natin, Ren. Andyan na ba yung storage natin, Ren? Ren. Yung mga paraffle natin, Ren.
sure the judges will feel the same. So let's go on to the next person.
Okay, James.
Hi guys, congratulations sa lahat ng mga participants. Very challenging naging judging natin kasi kada participants sa kanilang klase ng mga face. And nabinasa natin siya sa creativity, precision as well, overall, sa may look.
Who is your competitor?
Kilala yan ni Mami.
Who is your competitor? What can you say, Fendi, about this haircut? Color.
Grass talaga.
Actually, that catch my eye for the first time I saw it. Really amazing. The fading, the color, the colors, how they did it. It's amazing, really. Like, I never before saw something that
Ito,
bad. So,
10 out of 10.
it's really amazing.
10, 10.
Louis.
The first thing that caught me attention was the color. And the total outfit and the cut was very good.
What's your name? What's your name?
Victor Bakaisi.
Na sumasali ka na.
Overall champion 2017.
Long time ago. Congratulations, yeah.
Galing, ganda oh.
Okay. And here is your 25,000. Bilangin mo. Labas mo. Baka sabihin hindi totoo.
Don't throw! Yun na naman!
O, gusto mo bilangin ko sa'yo. One, two, three,
Tama rin naman,
four,
ganyan.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 25,000 in cash. Walang back.
Sulit yung bahay.
Kay Miss Sharon and Mr. Wayne Brimon of Elegant Films. Okay? Asan anong number nakuha mo? Victor? 39. Picture muna daw. Picture muna. Picture muna tayo kay men's haircut, yung may exit. Guys, palakpakan natin ang men's haircut, ang mga batang napakagagwapo.
Yes!
Okay. Guys, compress ang compare. Raise your trophy and your medal. Show your medal. Baba dyan, baba. Picture taking. Oo, dyan. Okay, sa baba, sa baba. Maiipit tayo nila. Sorry, excuse me. Excuse me, anak. Mga ayan, mga model na sa taas. Yung tatlo pa. Ang model na sa baba. Ikaw ang nasa taas niya, anak. Si Victor. Si Victor ang nasa baba. Yan. Pa. Yan. Yan. Okay. Special awards. We still have 3 more. 3 more. Anak, dito ka. Sa tapat niya. Yan. Natanggal mo. Okay. Tapos na. There. Eksakto. Tapos na. Meron pa dito. Hanggang number 8 lang. Ilan na lang? Isa? Isa na lang dito. Ilang, ito po yung medal mo. So, yung ilan pa natira? Ilan? Ilan? 5? Number 8. Ay, hindi. Number